At this point, and this is with regards to UP Chief Minister's plans to meet top Bollywood stars and industrialists in Mumbai, which has sparked a big political row in the state of Maharashtra. And this has sparked a controversy over the fact that the focal point here is the multi-million-dollar Bollywood film industry. Uddhav Thackeray-led Maharashtra government has accused the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath of trying to take Bollywood's hub, the film city, to Uttar Pradesh, where the BJP government has earmarked 1,000 acres of land for building a film city, which the UP CM claims will be the biggest in the country. UP Chief Minister has already met with few of the Bollywood stars, including Akshay Kumar, Kailash Kher and Randeep Hooda yesterday. He is slated to meet some more movie stars today. He is going to meet corporate honchos and investors throughout the day. My colleague Disha is tracking all the updates, but first up, let's listen to the sound bites coming in on this.
आणि चित्रपटसृष्टी फक्त मुंबईतच आहे का? ठीक आहे, मुंबई खूप मोठी आहे. मग हे योगीजी तामिळनाडूत जाणार आहे का? आणि तामिळनाडूतली फिल्म सिटीसुद्धा खूप मोठी आहे दक्षिणेची. तिथेसुद्धा दक्षिणेबरोबरच हिंदी सिनेमाची निर्मिती होत असते. रजनीकांत हा हिंदीमध्ये काम करतात. नागार्जुन, चिरंजीवी कर्नाटकातले हे सगळं. मग तिथे बेंगळूर, हैदराबाद किंवा या सगळ्या पश्चिम बंगालला एक चांगली फिल्म सिटी आहे. मग योगीजी प्रत्येक राज्यात दौरा करून तिकडली फिल्म सिटी लखनौला आणण्यासाठी काही प्रयत्न करतात की का फक्त मुंबईशीच त्याने पंगरा घेतला?
साथ ही साथ बॉलीवुड को भी कहीं ना कहीं फिल्म नगरी बनाने की बात कर रहे हैं. अच्छी बात है. बहुत बड़ी भोजपुरी फिल्म की इंडस्ट्री है. अगर अच्छे से काम करेंगे तो निश्चित रूप से इंडस्ट्री चलेगी. लेकिन कोई ये समझ ले कि जो 100 साल से इस शहर को बॉलीवुड का दर्जा है वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा. लोग पूरी तरह से अन्य राज्यों में चले जाएंगे. इससे पहले आंध्र प्रदेश में भी फिल्म सिटी बनी. अलग अलग राज्यों ने प्रयास किया. उनका अधिकार है करें, लेकिन बॉलीवुड का दर्जा जो है वो बना रहेगा. उसे कोई ख़त्म नहीं कर सकता.
My colleague Disha joining us live. Disha, it's interesting that there should be some amount of insecurity in Maharashtra over the entire film hub moving to Uttar Pradesh. But what I want to understand is, like Mr. Nawab Malik also said, there are film cities in other states. And if there is another one in Uttar Pradesh, why is there a question of either or? Both can coexist?
Well, certainly, and this has now become a huge talking point, Afrida, because remember, in the month of September, when the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had plans of coming up with one of the biggest film cities in Noida, even at that point in time, he had sent an open invite specifically to the film fraternity business working in the state of Maharashtra. At that point also, the government, it did not really go down well with the Maharashtra government, and even today as well, in his 2-day tour visit. So currently also we are here outside Trident, where he's meeting the film fraternity one by one. The celebrities and the film producers are really coming here to speak to the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. We already saw that yesterday how Akshay Kumar, Randeep Hooda had already had talks and meeting with Yogi Adityanath for that matter. And right now as we speak, industrialist Hira Nandani is sitting inside. Raju Srivastav, the comedian, we know he's also having meeting with him possible. But this of course has not really gone down very well with the state Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, and this is clearly visible here with the kind of remarks that he's really passing on. He said that nobody can take away the business of films outside of Maharashtra. If anyone wants to do a competition, they have to do a fair competition. But otherwise, no film business is here to stay in this state. And so those were the kind of remarks, because particularly here on his 2-day tour visit, he's here to speak to these film fraternity people about what can be done as part of the content, what can be done when entire film city is set up, what are the needs, what are the requirements, how they can take the movie business forward. All of these are going to be the talk of the towns, but this has created a political battle between the UP and the Maharashtra state here, Afrida, because the chief ministers here, on one side the UP chief minister is
Yes.
trying to speak to most of the big guns of the Bollywood industry, and on the other hand the chief minister of the state here, Uddhav Thackeray, is very confident that the magnetic power of Maharashtra is here to stay and nobody is going to go out of the state.
All right. All right. So clearly that meeting is currently on. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister meeting with the top honchos of the corporate world and also movie stars. Even as we speak, Disha tracking all the details for us. Thanks for joining us.